We'll just start out with some hot water. Throw in a little bit of salt to the water. So in the meantime, we're gonna get a bowl here with some ice, just like that. And in this bowl, we'll just add some water. And now we have this ultra difficult technique called an ice water bath. But again, the whole purpose of this, most people don't realize, whether it's coming out of hot water, whether it's coming out of an oven, off of a grill, when you take it off, that food is still cooking, right? And so if you've cooked vegetables to a point of being completely done and it's just sitting there, it's gonna continue cooking. You're gonna lose that vibrancy, right? If you're not serving it immediately. So in this case, we're able to control it. We're gonna pull it. We're gonna drop it into here. It's gonna have this really nice vibrancy to it. Now, what do you do with it at that point? Well, you could serve it with crudité, a nice little dip, like a green goddess dip. You can look that up, by the way, we have that online. You could quickly saute it for 30 seconds with some like garlic infused olive oil. Eat it as such, with maybe a little bit of hollandaise on top or a nice fried egg. There's a lot of things that you can do.